Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a Google My Business profile. First, open your browser and go to google.com/business. Sign in using the Google account you want to manage your business with. Next, click on Manage Now, and enter your business name. Select your primary business category, important for local SEO. Enter your business address if you have a physical location. Add your phone number and website URL to ensure accuracy. Set your business hours so customers know when you're available. Now it's time to verify your business through Google's instructions. Upload your logo, cover photo, and business images for a professional look. Write a clear business description, including services and location. Finally, add your services, enable messaging, and start collecting reviews. Your Google business profile is now live and ready to attract local customers.